Hey, what's up, guys? It's JD back again on the CRV this time. So just got back from the dealer. Finally had to replace my battery after almost 5 years and 46,000 miles. Anyways, got something new for you guys. So usually on the Hondas for CarPlay, had to have your phone plugged in. So I use Apple CarPlay a lot. So I got something new for that since I got my wireless charger here. Can't really use it too much, especially when you have it plugged in. You have to have it plugged in for your CarPlay anyway. So somebody actually said that on the comments. So I actually got a product for you guys to check out. This is a Android system. It has Apple CarPlay also. What it does is pretty much lets you have wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. So you don't have to plug in your phone anymore. So I'm gonna review this for you guys, and this is my first time checking. I didn't even know this product existed, so it'll be something new to check out, and it'll be definitely great if you have a wireless charger too. All right, let's open this up and check out how it is. Here is the product. It's called One Car Stereo. There's two versions, a light version and a full version. I have the full, so this is all it is, pretty much a box. Comes with the USB-C to USB-A, so all you pretty much do is plug that into where your Apple CarPlay wire is, and should be able to get wireless CarPlay. So let's see how this goes. So here is the product. I have it plugged in, so there's a USB-C here, and on the CRVs in your glove compartment there is two, so I'm gonna use the other one, and you would just leave this in there and plug this in. I got it plugged in now, and here we have it. Would you like to enable CarPlay? Always enable. No more devices can be added. Number of countries and would you like to? So I'm gonna have to remove my old one. My CarPlay devices. There's a bunch of phones plugged in on there, so I'm gonna turn this on. Warning, for your safety, don't show, accept. All right, so this is the wireless CarPlay that's set up now. So there's a ton of apps on this. Main thing I use is Waze. There's even Netflix, Google. Where's my Google map? That's another thing I use. So we got Chrome, Play Store, phone, maps. Alright, so I'm gonna get my phone connected to the CarPlay box. So for wireless CarPlay to connect to your phone, go to Auto Kit, and using Bluetooth you have to connect it to your... Alright guys, so here we have it. Wireless CarPlay is connected. As you can tell, the resolution is really good, just like you would have it when it's wired. So basically what you're doing is Bluetooth connection to this box, which gives you wireless CarPlay. So the box, I'm gonna leave it in there, close everything up, and you pretty much have wireless CarPlay. So normally when you get in your car, it'll automatically connect. So you have access to your phone wirelessly now. It shows your battery charge and everything. Pretty much what you had before. It'll show exactly your contacts, everything will be there. Now you also have the option to go back to the actual box itself. So if you hit this button, you can get back to the home, which should show you what the actual box says. So if you connect your phone's internet to this, you can also pretty much watch YouTube, Netflix, any of these apps that it comes with. So there's a ton of options for this. And if you wanted to get back into your CarPlay, which would be this. So I'm gonna turn off the car, go out, come back in, and see how the connection goes on a normal basis when you're coming into your car. Alright, so here we go. So this is how it connects. Look at that. Looks like we're already connected to my phone. you go. So here it is, wireless CarPlay, all set up, no wires needed. So hope you guys like this video. If you wanted to use CarPlay wirelessly, here's your option. I'll of course link the product in the description if you're interested in purchasing. And once again, there's two versions of this. There's a light, which is way cheaper, which still gives you the CarPlay, and this one's I guess the full box, which comes with all the other apps that you pretty much saw there. So here it is, watching YouTube on my CRV screen wirelessly. It's connected to my hotspot.
Got a new product for you guys.
There you go, guys. Until next time.